Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix System32 folder opens automatically at Windows Startup. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type shell command Startup, click OK. Click View, click Show select hidden items. Delete all files. Second method is, type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Third method is type msconfig in Windows search bar, click System Configuration. Click Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, click Disable all, click Apply, click OK, click Restart. Fourth method is type System Restore, click Create a restore point. Click System Restore, select any restore point previously created. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.